So yeah, we are up 168%, which is phenomenal, man. We just trading like 5 months and 3 weeks, and that's a pretty impressive result. Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a lovely time. It's Raphael back again. And in today's video, I want to talk about yesterday's trading session. I want to talk about the trade on Nasdaq, the trade that I've shared with everybody for free in the free Telegram channel. So if you're not inside the free Telegram chat yet, make sure to check the links down below in the description. And yeah, just keep in mind, you can always drop me a private message if you're looking for guidance, if you need some help, if you want to know how I trade the markets, if you want to go more in detail. Just drop me a private message and yeah, we'll be happy to help you. So yesterday, guys, let me show you the results real quick first. Yesterday, man, we banked around 10%. Yeah, 9.8%. I was loading it up pretty aggressive on Nasdaq and made some good money. Overall, for this year, we are up more than 168% already. And yeah, I started this account in December last year, started to trade in January. So yeah, we are up 168%, which is phenomenal, man. We just trading like 5 months and 3 weeks, and that's a pretty impressive result. And yeah, guys, let's get into the charts. Let me show you exactly what was happening yesterday, why I took the sell position on Nasdaq.
This video is sponsored by XAUUSD, one of the brokers that I'm using for my trading. Guys, I will put the links down below in the description if you're looking for a regulated broker. XAUUSD is the one to go. And the other broker that I love to use, it's an unregulated broker, it's Trade. I just love the way they work with crypto deposits and withdrawals and all that stuff, and they're making an amazing job. So make sure to check both brokers out. I will put the links down below in the description.
Guys, let's start on the weekly time frame. As you can see, we have the significant high over here, which got taken out last week on Friday, guys. On Friday, we took it out, and I expected the market to pull back from that point. You see that? On Friday, we took it out, and then the market was bouncing back. And I really expected the market to take out this low over here next. This was the next zone of liquidity, because we took out a pretty significant high on Friday, and this is where most probably all the stops are sitting. This is where the market can make a lot of business down here. And this was really my main target for the trading session yesterday, but yeah, the market did not reach the target because it was pretty far away. It was around 200 pips or something. Like, yeah, we didn't took it out, but as you can see, the movement today took it out finally. But let me show you why I took the sell position yesterday on Nasdaq, why I shared this beautiful trading setup with you. So when the New York session started, guys, we had the day's highs over here at around 15,086, somewhere in here. This was one of my highs that I marked up. And from the day before at around 15,133, this was one of my zones of liquidity where I expected the market to maybe pull back to, and that's why I had my stop sitting at around 15,150, because I wanted to give the market a little bit of wiggle room. And as you can see, it was it needed that. And at 9:30, guys, when the New York Stock Exchange opened, as you can see, the market was coming down, broke structure to the downside, and then it was moving up pretty aggressively, pulled a lot of buyers into the market who got tricked. And yeah, as you all know, the market loves to do some fake up moves, especially at the beginning of the session. So I really like the fact that they started to bring price up and pulled some bias into the market. And yeah, I started to sell all of this stuff, you know. I started to sell when the market, I mean, we had a break of structure in here, and I started to sell it on the pullback at around 15,060. But I knew we have this 15,100 level pretty close to the actual day's high. So I expected the market to have some room of error. So I started to scale into the position early in here, gave it a lot of air breathe, and I didn't put all my risk appetite on my first position, so I left some space for some more positions. So I started to load up when it broke the high of the day, which was created in the Asia session. I started to load up again in here, and then I took another position just before my stop would have got taken out. And when the market made that beautiful aggressive push to the downside, I closed a little bit too early. I could have made so much more money because I had a lot of positions in the market, but I didn't want to hold through my worst positions, so I closed them a little bit early and let this beautiful position on top run for lower targets. So I took out like 3% somewhere in this area in here. I closed it out just before it would have taken out this one. I think I closed somewhere in here at around the entry of my first position. I think I had one or two positions that made me a little bit of loss that day. I closed it a little bit early because I was loaded up pretty aggressively, and yeah, I was not able to hold through all that move. So I closed a little bit earlier, somewhere in here. Had a bank like 3%, and I was letting this best position, my best entry, I was letting it run until somewhere in here around 15,000, big figure number. This is where I took it out, somewhere in this area, with a beautiful 8-to-1 risk reward ratio, which was amazing. And yeah, it made me a bunch of money that day, guys. Made around 10% in one day. It was amazing. And yeah, I hope that some of you have banked on that trade as well. If I find another trading opportunity, I will let you know inside the free Telegram channel. So if you're not inside yet, make sure to join. You will find the link down below in the description. And if you need help, guys, just let me know in Telegram. When I have time, I will be glad to help you out, guys. Thank you for watching. That's it for today. See you in the next one. Stay healthy and take care, guys. Peace.
What you